Welcome to solverfy.
Now, we know that the height of the Hoover Dam is 220 meters. What I mean is the height of the water column that is behind the Hoover Dam. So, to find the pressure, we simply multiply the weight density with the height. If you remember the weight density of water, it's 10,000 kilonewton per meter cubed. If you don't remember that, it's fine. Weight density is simply the density of water times the acceleration due to gravity. Density of water is 1,000 kilogram per meter cube times g is 10 meter per second square, which gives you 10 power 4 Newton per meter cubed. Now kg meter per second square is Newton and meter cubed is meter cubed. Now that is simple. 10,000 Newton per meter cube, which is our weight density, times our height, which is 220 meters, gives you, the units give you Newton per meter square, which is pascals, times 220 times 10 power 4 is 22 into 10 power 5 pascals. That is it. 22 into 10 power 5 pascals is 2200 into 10 power 3 pascals, which is 2200 kilopascals, which is what was given in the question.